Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Journey with Data. If you want to learn Python and are wondering on how to get started, then this video is for you. Well, Python is a widely used programming language, and if you are seeking answers to the questions like, can I learn Python if I don't have a coding background? The answer is yes. All you need to do is start from scratch. So today you can find Python used almost everywhere to automate your tasks, to deploy machine learning models, to build neat visualizations, almost everywhere. Because Python is quite easy, concise, and requires fewer lines of code as compared to any other language. That's why people find it quite easy to learn. And it has been in and around for 30 years now. So, Instagram, Netflix, the Spotify app, Uber are some of the examples of the platforms that were basically created using Python. So I'll not spend too much time quoting more facts and figures about Python. Instead, I'll straight away talk more on how can you get started. Well, there are no prerequisites to getting started, as I've already told you, and the learning path is basically divided into sections. First is basics, practice, and expand. So, before you actually start writing your first program, all you've got to do is set your basics in place. So, let's explore these sections. Now, after you have got the environment set up, start with the basics. Try having an understanding of the data types, the integer, float, string, etc., and variables and the item assignment. Python syntax basics, for example, how to take a user input, how to display a specified message to the screen, the print statement, adding single and multi-line comments for better code readability, getting a knowledge of string manipulation, how to join, split, concatenate strings is also important, understanding of the if-else statements, the elif statements, loops, regular expressions, and functions. Spend some time understanding the data structures like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, and the various methods involved like adding elements to a list, indexing, the key value pairs, etc. This shall set your basics in place. Try taking an online basic A to Z Python course. Now the next step is practice, and there are various ways to do so. You can practice at online platforms like Kaggle, HackerRank, LeetCode, CoderByte, etc. Take some practice exercises. These days you have numerous ongoing hackathons, challenges. Try joining them. This shall make you comfortable with the language. So let's move to the next section, which is expand. I have dedicated this part entirely for the libraries that I used in the data science projects. For example, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Numpy, scikit-learn, and so on. But I would recommend you to switch to this part if and only if you have your basics in place. Now, among the libraries that are used, Pandas is a data analysis library where a key data structure is a data frame. It's quite easy to learn. Matplotlib and Seaborn are for visualization of the data. The basic difference is Matplotlib is for basic plotting and Seaborn has some advanced plots. Numpy is for performing numeric operations in arrays. Scikit-learn is a Python module which is for machine learning. So, I hope that this must have given you an idea on how you can chart your journey towards learning Python. All you have to do is start from basics. As I've already pointed out, start with learning data types, keywords, identifiers, getting a familiarity with Python syntax, and so on. Yeah. So stay tuned for more videos from this channel. Till then, happy learning. Thank you so much.